Some wines are best when given time to breathe. Pouring with the Coravin Aerator is equivalent to an hour or more of decanting. Follow these steps to pour wine using the Coravin Aerator. Push the aerator securely onto the Coravin spout. Before each use, press the trigger quickly to clear the Coravin Wine Preservation System, align the smart clamps over the neck of the bottle, and push down firmly in one fluid motion. Tip the bottle so the aerator is over the glass. To ensure best performance, press the trigger longer than usual. When you are done pouring, pull the system straight up and off the bottle in one fluid motion. Pull the aerator off the spout when finished. Always rinse and dry your aerator before storing after every use. Store your wine bottles on their side in a cool, dark place and preserve what's left in the bottle for weeks, months, or even years. For more information, visit coravin.com/aerator.